building a product versus building a brand. Do you know why more and more companies such as Apple are going factory-less production, outsourcing the production to third-party players, onshore, offshore, while they focus on building the brand through marketing? Yes, even marketing can be outsourced, but you cannot build a brand without marketing, while you can still produce products without a factory. So, all the large companies that are making it huge understand the value lies in building the brand and not just developing the product. Product in itself, yes, is very important for you to deliver quality, but that's just a start. The game is actually in building a brand, and you need to build an ethos that will reflect onto the core values and develop a brand based on that. You could use third parties to outsource your marketing efforts, or you could use your teams to do the marketing job for you. But what's important is to build a brand along with the product.